Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings and you click. Here in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.